Wow by Post Malone. Here we go. This is how we're going to start this one off. You're going to be starting with your feet together. We step out to the left. We go 1, 2, and. You bend your knees on the and count again. Okay, that again. 7, and. 1, 2, and. We're going to jump out of it. 3, 4. Okay, that again. 7, and. 1, 2, and. 3, and. So you want to go 3, and you bring the arms in, then we twist. 4, twist to the side like that. Then we're going to run it. 5, and. Then you want to jump back on the right foot, kick out with the left, then bring it in, okay? So just take it back from the top. 7, and. 1, 2, and we jump. 3, and. 4, we run. 5, and we jump back on the right leg. 6, and. Now I know I had that foot up before, but we're actually going to put it down. 6, and. Foot is on the floor. Then from here, we need to step back with the right foot. You're going to twist the toes in, then you're going to twist them out, okay? And after you're going to push, ha, you want to go a ha, ha. Then we're going to be picking up the left leg, picking it up, bringing it behind, and stepping behind, okay? Take it back to the top. There's an arm that we have to add at the beginning. When you step out on 1, the right hand wants to come down your face. So we got 7, and. 1, 2, and. 3, and. 4. We run. 5, and. 6, and. Then we step out. 7, and I cross my arms on that 7. So when your legs go 7, I cross my arms as well. Then we go up. 8. Then we're going to jump onto this left foot. We go 1, and. 2, and. That again. Legs up, we swing. 1, and. 2, and. At the same time, the arms are going to swing. The arms go up, down, cross, back. It'll look like this. Da, 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 da. Then we're going to push to the side. We go push, then you step back, and then we're going to slide and step forward with the left foot, and we're going to blow some powder to the front. They say something about snow, I think, so we're going to blow some snow powder, right? So you want to go ha, pa. Then from here, we want to turn around to the right side, and we want to jump. Pa. We're going to keep turning around to the right side. We're going to kick ha. Okay? So as soon as you go ha, ha, we jump. Da, da. Then we twist it a little bit with the left foot, and we go da, da. He's going to say something about Dumbo. They hit Dumbo, and then we step back on that left foot, okay? Let me do that again. We go hit Dumbo. Cool. That's that first section. We'll go again from the very top. If you need to go back and recap it, I don't blame you. We're moving through this one, and you can hear I got the hiccups, okay? So let's do that again. 7, and we go 1, 2, and 3, and 4. We run 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and there was my hiccup. Then we jump 5, 6, ha, ha, 8. If you need to go over that, go over it. I'll meet you back here once you're ready to go on. Maybe even try it to the music as well. It won't hurt. So we go, A. We're going to step behind with that left foot. You go step, step out with the right foot. Then we're going to step forward with the left foot. So watch this. So we've gone Dumbo. We go step, step, step. Okay, left, right, left. That again. Left, right, left. Then we're going to kick forward with the right foot. Kick, ha. And we're facing a diagonal. The arms on that step. We elbow across. 1, and 2, and 3, ha ha. So notice it's an elbow and a cut. He'll say something like cut the roof off. So we go, whoom, da, cut the roof off, ha. Then we go, like up. Then we're going to jump back onto the right foot and we go, ha, nip, ha, tuck. So go from Dumbo. They hit Dumbo, boom, cut the roof off, like a nip, tuck. Then we step onto it, boom, pull up 2. So once you step on that, you push off it, pull up 2, We're gonna step forward the left foot and we swing around with that right arm, okay? So pull up 2, step, step, ha, ha. Then this step, we need to jump up in the air. You jump and leave the floor with both feet and you land on the right foot. Watch that again. We jump up, ha, and you land on the right foot. Notice that when I come down, I kick up that left foot. Don't let it hit the floor. Also at the same time, when you jump and leave the ground, ha, ha. When you land, you pull that arm back, okay? Watch this, we go, ha, ha. Okay? Do this pull up to the, so we've gone, nip, tuck, ba. Pull up to the house with some big butts. Then we land there, okay? Big butts. Then from here, it's just footwork because it's really, really hard, okay? So don't worry about the arms. From here, you want to swap feet. You go swap, jump out. You want to hop over with that right foot and kick out the left. Ha, ha. Okay? I swing that leg forward and out to the side. So we've got the left leg up here. You swap, you jump him out, jump in with the right foot, swing out the left, ha. Then you know how we did that Dumbo step? It's the same step, but we're traveling on the diagonal, okay? So you want to step with the right foot to the back, drag, the arm goes around, we're dragging in that left foot, and then we want to step, turn, and then step, turn. That again. The Dumbo slide, we go, ha, step with the left foot, ha, ha. You want to finish facing the diagonal, or the side, sorry. You want to finish facing the side, so we can get into the next step. Wow, I am not shaking these hiccups at all. Let me take my chain off because it's probably annoying you guys. Wow, it's probably annoying you guys. You can hear that rattling. Okay, so let's go again from that whole section that we just learnt there, okay? So let's go from the actual Dumbo step with the cut. So we got ha, 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 boom, ha, ha, hit, ha, da, 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 hit. Pull up to the house with some big butts. Then we swap the legs. Ha, 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 ha. Turn, turn, turn. Wow, these hiccups are for real. Now we're doing the kicks. So you want to kick up the left leg. You want to twist on it. You want to kick out the right foot. Then you want to pull it up. Ha. Okay? It'll look like this. Da, 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 da. Notice my first 2 legs. It's bent, kick it out, pull it in. Okay? Then from here, we're going to kick forward, kick, step, hands go out in front, and then we're going to twist it to the side like that. So after you've gone ha, 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 kick, step, step, and then twist to the side. If you need to go over that section, go over it now. Come back, maybe try it to some music. We're getting closer to the end. This part here is all easy, okay? You'll be able to get it. Speaking about being easy, let's go into it. We got 7 and whoo. Step together. Very similar to the con calma dance that we did last week, right? You want to go step together. Then we go step, 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 step. Kick with the left leg, kick, ha. Okay? Watch that again. We go step together, step, step, kick, ha. You punch out that right arm. Then we're going to take it around. We want to step with the right foot. We want to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice that we step forward with that left foot after we face the side. Okay, so from here we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you step forward, you want to have that left arm out as well. It will look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you want to put the brakes on. You go brake, then lift the leg on the second brake. Sorry guys, these hiccups. Everything's going wrong on this video. So from here we turn around. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then from here we're going to push. You want to step on the right foot and we go 1, 2. We're going to step with the left foot and go 3. Step with the right foot, 4. Then if you're with your friends, you can do this mad cannon going down the room. Because it's just us, we're going to go 1, 2, ha, ha, da, da, da. And you'll just have to wait the rest of the counts, okay? Then after that, very easy step. We just step together and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very easy. So after we've gone da 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 da, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Not too hard, yeah? Hopefully my sound is still on. I think it is. We're going to keep going, okay? But before we keep going, let's just go back and recap that whole section. We're at the very end now, which is great. Go from the top all the way up until there. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Jump. 5, 6. Ha, ha, ha. We cut. 1, and 2, and 3. Ba, ba, ba. Ba. 1, and 2, and 3, and big butts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. Came for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Da 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 da. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The very last part now. Crisscrossing, hopscotching. This one is easy. It's just a full cardio session. So you've got to feet apart. You need to jump feet apart as well. You need to go jump, cross, right foot in front. Jump, cross, left foot in front. Then we take 2 steps to the side. Step, step. Then we're going to cut it across on the last one, okay? This is what it'll look like. 7 and feet apart. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step together, step, cut. Then you do the exact same thing the opposite way. Out, cross, step together, step, cut. Same thing, other way. Out, cross, step together, step, ha. Wow, that hiccup. I shouldn't have had those nuggets. Then we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. My go-to step. Ha, 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 ha. Love that step. Just make sure when you've gone cut, you want to step forward with that left foot and you want to go cut across, step, cut across, step. And this very last step is just a freestyle, whatever you like, okay? Whatever you like. So that is it. That's the dance. That was pretty good, yeah? Let's go from the very top, nice and slow, piece it all together. If you guys need to try it from the beginning, go from the very top, break it down again. Try it with some music. It is very fast and different when you do it with music. I suggest you do that. All right. From the top, here we go. 5, 6, 7, let go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Jump, jump. Ha, ha, ha. Boom. Cut the roof up with a ha, ha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Came for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, step, step. Wait, jump apart. Da 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 da. Got 1 now. Da 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 da. Last call, hell yeah. Ba 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 ba. Finish how you want. Wow. Oh, guys, we got through it. I got through it. Had some hiccups. Don't know what's going on. What's going on? Don't know. Guys, if you are doing this video or you're watching this video and you made it to the end, let me know in the comments below. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, I'm on TikTok. Check me out on TikTok. Links below in the description. Check out the dance. Check out my other tutorials. Check out my moves and minutes. And I'll check you guys in 2 weeks' time when the next tutorial is up. I'm going to go. I need to get rid of these hiccups. See you guys. Bye.